Hey, Dave here with InvestED, and one of the things that's a little bit different from older investors like myself and young investors, many of you watching these videos, is the comfort level that we have in investing in different types of things. So one of the most glaring examples right now is the popularity of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, versus what I traditionally invest in, which is the stock market. Now, again, what I like about the stock market is I know what I'm buying. I can do the research. I know there's a good regulatory framework. There's oversight. There's accounting principles that are followed. I own something tangible. There's still volatility in it, and there's still the risk that a company does well or poorly. But over time and historically, I've got a track record of performance. With crypto, I don't necessarily have that. It's like a real currency, like the Canadian dollar or US dollar. It's based on your faith in what you're buying. Now, again, because of high debt levels and because of the performance of cryptocurrencies, they become quite popular with young investors. But remember how volatile cryptocurrencies are. In a typical year, there's 2 or 3 times where the stock market is up or down 3% in a day. With cryptocurrency, it's dozens of times every year. It's a very volatile asset. The other thing is, I find when I ask most people about cryptocurrency and ask them how it works, what it is, very few people can explain it in any tangible way. So the reason people are buying it is because it's going up, and I think I'm going to make money in the short term. One of the interesting things as I watch the stock market and I watch cryptocurrency is how they move together, in the sense that the highest risk stocks, technology stocks, the most volatile stocks, tend to move in line with cryptocurrency. So for me, I like to buy stocks if I can handle the volatility, and even volatile stocks, and I'd rather have that because I know what I own versus cryptocurrency where they're still in their early stages. The big key for everything, though, is to sit down and talk to the right advisor, someone who can work through with you to understand what you're buying and why you want to own it, how it fits in your overall portfolio. Dave with InvestED, taking the ferry from Vancouver to Victoria. Talk to you soon.